Hello everyone, my name is Mayur and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see how to write queries for DDL command. And DDL stands for data defining language. Before starting with the query, I will tell you some introduction part of it, what actually it is. So DDL changes the structure of the table, like creating a table, deleting a table, altering a table, etc. All the commands of DDL are auto committed, which means that it is permanently saves all the changes in the database. So one by one we will see, like this create alter. So in alter we want to do any modification, like we want to add column, we want to drop that column, or we want to drop a table, rename, modify. So this comes under alter and truncate drop comment. So all we will utilize, I will write the queries for it so you will understand how actually it works. So first I will write a select all from employees. So in left side, as you can see here, HR database is activated, and within the HR database I will take the employees table, and within that employees table I will write the queries to show you how actually it works. So select from or select all from employees. So this is my table having 107 rows into it, and if you want to see the structure of table, then we write describe employees, means it will show you what are the columns, what is the data type is used here, null is yes or no, key means constraint, and default extra. So you can see the overall structure of table, and within this, like we will add column into our table employees. So how to add column in table? Alter table employees, add column mobile number, varchar 10. So you can see I executed the query alter table employees, add column mobile number, varchar 10. Select all from employees, and last column you can see mobile number, the column is added. So we have seen how to add the column in table. Now if I want to delete the column, then how to write the queries? Let's see. Alter table name means employees, drop column mobile number. So this query also successfully executed, and if I want to see that table again, then execute this query, select all from employees. You can see earlier it was added into our employees table. Now I use the alter table employees, drop column mobile number, then it got deleted. Then how to rename the column in table? Alter table employees, rename column CTC to salary. So in your table, and you want to change the header of it, you want to rename with any other name, then we use this rename concept, alter table name, rename column CTC to salary. If I execute it, so now it is CTC, it will change to salary, and you want to see it is executed or not, the rename has successfully done or not, you can see here. Earlier it was CTC, now it is showing salary. So the rename, whenever you want to rename the columns, then you can use this. So how to modify the structure of a table? So whenever you are modifying the structure of a table, like you want to change the data type of your columns, then how to do it? Let's see. Earlier I show you the describe Within the describe, you can see the table having these columns and these are the data types. If I want to change the data type of any column, for example, I'm changing the data type of email. It is varchar 25. I want to increase the varchar 25 to varchar 35. Then how to do it? Let's see. Alter table, employees, modify column email varchar 35. So we will execute this and we will see in email the data type is changed to varchar 35. So these are the commands, these are the queries in alter we can use to add, to drop, to rename and modify. And how to create a table, let's see. Whenever you are creating a new table in database, so you need to understand what is the purpose of that table, how many columns should be there, what kind of records are going to be entered, what will be the data type of that columns. So all these things you need to understand before creating a table. Create table. Table name, you can give any name that you want. I'm giving MMM1. You have to mention the header of your column and the data type. So I will take serial number and it will be the int unsigned. For first name, varchar 20, last name varchar 20, and another table we will take salary. And close the bracket, semicolon. You can see the create table MMM1. So we have created a table successfully, and you want to see that table, then select all from MM1. So I have created a table and you want to see the structure, then describe MMM1. So you can see serial number int unsigned, S the null, first name, last name, salary. So we have seen how to create a table, and now we will see how to drop the table, from the database. If you don't want that table and you want to drop it from your database, then use drop table MM1 and execute this query. Now you can see here in my left side, refresh it, there is no any MMM1. And you want to execute that table again, then you can't see because it is telling that error code 1146 table HR MMM1 doesn't exist. So it is telling that in your database HR, the MMM1, the table doesn't exist into your database. Once you drop any table, it will not, so you will not retrieve your data, it will be permanently deleted from your database. So while using these statements, while using these queries, you need to understand the importance of that query. So before executing, you need to think about it, then only you can execute, because once you delete any table from your database, you will not able to retrieve again. If there is some backup of it, then you can. Otherwise, if you don't have any backup of that table, then it will be permanently deleted. So we have seen how to add the columns, how to delete the column, how to rename the column, how to modify the structure of table, and we have seen how to create a table. Now we have seen the drop table command. Last one we'll see truncate. So what is a truncate and how it works? Select all from MMM1 mm. So this is a dummy table that I have created. The name is MMM. It is not an employee table that you have seen earlier. So this is dummy of it. So whenever you want to learn something, then make a dummy of your table, then you can execute the queries like truncate and drop. How the truncate works, I will show you. If I execute this query, then only the headers will be there, and below there will be no any records. It will get deleted, so it will not show anything. I executed this query, and if I want to see that table, then you can see all the records from that table, it got deleted. There is no any records here, only there is a structure of it. Now I will drop that table. So we have seen alter command, create, drop, truncate, and I will show you the comment what actually it is. You have seen the describe. So in that field type null key default extra, these columns are there, and it is giving you the short structure information. And show full columns from employees, it gives a detailed information of structure. You can see the field type of it, null, key, and privileges, and comment. So you want to add any comment for that column. For example, you are taking the salary, or for example you are taking job ID. The job ID, you are adding any comment for that. Any employee or any other person is working on your table, he or she should know what actually the column it is. He will see the structure of a table, type of data, and the comment, and then he will start working. He wants to add, he wants to delete any important message that you want to convey, then you can write in a comment section. So for example, I will show you. Alter table employees, modify column, hire date, and mention the data type of it. Comment, and you can add the comment in double quote, right? The hire date should not be on Saturday and Sunday. And we will execute this query. So you can see we have executed the query successfully, and we will see that if the comment is added or not. So you can see we have executed the show full columns from employees. The comment I added here, the hire date should not be on Saturday and Sunday. So whenever any employee or user working, he or she will understand that the date should not be on Saturday or Sunday. So like this way you can comment on the column. So we have seen the TDL language and all the commands, and if you feel it is informative for you, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in comment section. Thank you so much.